What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be installing coilovers on Rizzo's BMW E46.
It's a 325, that's the only problem, but we manual swap it, so it's a little bit more fun. So as you can see, we still got stock suspension on this. My shocks are blown out, and I guess it's time for a little bit of an upgrade. So,
What kind of coilovers did you get?
We got some 5/8s. We got some 5/8s made in California.
Now let the mag up here. We run the same coilover.
So here's the front coil. Has camber plates already installed.
You're gonna run a lot of camber, right? Hot boy?
I don't want to, but I'm probably gonna have to just because. I'm probably gonna have to just because of the wheel setup that I got.
Oh, we gotta see the new wheels, dude.
I'll show you the new wheels too. So we're cooking up something a little special. I didn't think it was gonna work, but Hot Boy Alex over here tells me it's gonna work, so we're gonna make it work.
I told him, if you want to be hot boy, go ahead and do a 10.5-inch wheel. But you're gonna have to be dirty with it. You're gonna have to put some camber on it. You're gonna have to make things work. We're gonna see if I was right or if I led him down the wrong path and it's not gonna work. So we're gonna find out right now. If you have an E46 and you're thinking about putting 10.5-inch wheels on it with coilovers, we're about to let you know if that will work or not.
We're just gonna hope and pray at this point, cause I have some doubts. But honestly, I feel like we could really make it work. It's just, do I want to cut this part up?
I told him, worst case, if it doesn't work, let's wide body it. But he's so scared. He doesn't know.
Wide body, or I might get on other rims.
I'm the wide body guy. I like wide bodying everything, so I think we should wide body it.
Just hope and pray, y'all.
But we're about to install the front and see how it looks. All right, so we just got the wheels mounted. We are starting with just looking at the wheels first. Have not put the coilovers on.
Oh yeah, the fronts are definitely good.
I think they'll be fine, dude. That is, oh my, yes, sir. That'll be perfect.
All right, we're riding dirty.
It'll be dirty.
There goes all my doubt. There goes all my doubt.
It'll be dirty, but I think it'll work. We're gonna set it down on blocks and see how it looks. But I mean, it's gonna be aggressive. I mean, that looks pretty aggressive, but I think it's gonna look a lot better once we drop the car down. Yeah.
Well,
so,
let's hope and pray, y'all.
We'll get the wood and then we're gonna drop it down and see how dirty this thing's gonna be. This is gonna work, Rizzo.
Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. All my doubts just went away. Even if we have to get a little bit of sledgehammer action in, dude, let's just do it. I don't care. Dirty! Dirty!
Sick.
Dirty!
Nice shape for the coilovers on, camber this thing out.
About to go on. Let's go.
Dude, I know you're excited, bro.
Dude, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for way too long.
Go buy some cheap wheels today.
You mean cheap tires?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, there's a tire shop.
Yeah, might have to get some tires today or tomorrow.
Dude, you can get like some burners for pretty cheap. I just don't know if they'll stretch them, bro. That's gonna be the thing.
Well, I'm gonna have to stretch them at my place.
That guy will do it.
He will? Mm-hmm. Well, worst case scenario, take them to my shop. I'll stretch them, throw them on, hit them with a bee blaster.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You work at Toyota. Yeah, you're good. You can put them on there.
We have the nice tire machine for low pros. So, worst case scenario, I'll put them on myself. I already called a bunch of places. They said they don't want to touch them. So, I might as well do them myself, not get, you know, the rim scratched by someone else. I'd rather scratch it myself.
But these are 9.5, you said?
9.5 in the front.
All right, so 9.5 in the front fits up like this, and 10.5 fits up like that.
So I think we're good, dude. That rear tucked in a lot more.
I told you.
That's what I thought I was gonna tuck into right here. And then so once we drop it, I feel like it's gonna be like right here.
Yep.
Like right here, halfway, and then just throw 1 or 2, 3 degrees of camber in there. Match it up on the front, and I think we'll be good.
By the way, guys, this thing is super clean. Like,
other than the mess on the inside.
It's dirty, but it's nice. He took out the SMG trans and put a manual trans in it. You prefer the manual trans?
100%. SMGs are cool. Yeah. They're faster. They're a lot faster. But the pumps are $3,000, and I'm not going to pay $3,000 for a new SMG pump. So might as well just manual swap it. The get rags are $250. It's a lot easier to blow up a get rag and put another $250 transmission in there.
Facts. Chris, what do you think? You think it's going to be good?
Dude, I don't know.
You convinced yet or no?
Let's put these coilovers on and then try it.
Good.
And Valley, yours is next.
No.
Yes.
We gotta 5.0 swap it first.
Bro, if you're gonna 5.0 swap it, just buy a new Mustang.
1552.
I agree on that.
Facts.
Well, it's okay. I mean, I basically did the same exact thing with this thing. I could have bought a whole new Beamer with all the money I spent just trying to get it running.
Yeah, but you cared about this one.
Yeah.
This one's super clean.
This one's clean and it's pretty rare.
But alright guys, we are going to put these coilovers on and see how everything fits.
Alright y'all, so basically this is what we're going to do. We're going to make it easy on ourselves. We're just going to pop this sway link off, pop this top knuckle bolt off, pull the knuckle down, take the 3 bolts off on the top, take this old POS shock out, and then put in our new beautiful gorgeous coilovers with our camber plates and everything we need to make my car look cool. So we're just gonna start doing that. All right, y'all, so as you can see, like 4 easy steps and you pull a blown shock out. See the residue from that was bad. Yeah. Coilover time.
I think they're good like that, bro.
One bolt, that's it. Now let's go and throw the rest of them on. Just so I don't crack
That'll be the least of this problem.
Put these bad boys on. Alright, we're basically, the coilover's installed. That's all you need to do, y'all. Just 3 bolts on the top, that's it, you're done. Go ahead and drive it.
We got the front on, now we're gonna work on the back, but before we work on the back, we are going to go ride the 4-wheeler and the mini bikes. And we'll get a little footage of that right now. Oh, I know. And now we're back. So much fun. We almost wrecked a lot. I put a couple clips in the video for you guys. If you guys want to see some mini bike content, let us know. We have like 8 guys with mini bikes, and we just like go ride.
We're gladly ready to go to jail.
Yeah, we've already gotten in trouble by the police before, but it's worth it. So, and now we're gonna start on the rear and show you guys how to do it. Damn, those are blown, dude. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I already know.
Why don't you have the big light on so you can see more?
These little boys. Look at, what is this?
You better take that bolt out down there?
This one right here.
So the rears are going in now. Rizzo, how was it taking them out?
Not so fun, but
What's your advice to anybody that is trying to do this?
don't waste your money on a spring compressor. Just have your buddy stand on it. I need something a little bit bigger than this.
Yeah, we stood on the wheel right there,
And
then it just pops right out. Kind of sketchy though, right, Chris?
Yeah, I've done worse. I cut my springs off.
Oh yeah, we cut his
They
in the...
exploded.
That was probably the sketchiest thing.
Yeah.
It shot out from under the car.
Dude, as soon as I was cutting, and it was like a grenade. It was ridiculous.
But yeah, so just stand on the wheel and then basically pull it out, right?
Yeah, just kind of get your grip right here, and you stand right there, and you just push down.
Do it right now.
No, I don't
You're
want
just
to knock
like, you smash him. But we're about to put the rears in and see what it looks like all the way lowered. And this is how you put the new one in.
Good?
No.
Sorry. That's simple. Cool.
Bit.
Now just gotta put the shock in and then slam it to the ground. What do you think, Chris?
Low.
Who's gonna be lower, you or him?
Well, obviously me.
What do you think, Rizzo?
I don't know.
My car's lower stock anyway, so like, and like my arches are bigger, so I'm always gonna be lower to the ground. Facts.
Rizzo, when you put the kit on though, you'll look lower.
Let's think about that later.
Whoa, I'm talking about like actual body, not ground effects, Alex. We're not doing ground effects yet. That's not happening.
I don't know.
I'll get my body kit eventually, but
Yeah, when is that coming?
I have to find someone who will make it. Again, I'll buy it.
You make it.
I can make it, but that's a lot of fiberglass work that Chris does not want to do.
Chris, you ready to film the video of the loudest Z4?
Yeah, I actually am. I'm gonna fucking, I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send it with that. Loudest Z4, biggest flames. Let's do it.
You think it shoots the biggest flames?
I've seen some Z4s that shoot bigger flames, but I don't know. It
But
definitely
are they louder?
No. I've not heard a Z4 louder than mine. Not in Georgia, at least.
Loudest Z4 in Georgia.
Then the shot comes out of the rear.
Yes, sir.
That's all it takes. Those 2 bolts.
Hey, I bet you won't lick it.
Do not. Okay, well that's cheating. Yeah, like the dirty.
He said that's cheating, bro.
Still tasted good.
Finally got everything back together. We're maxed out, as low as it'll go.
Only one way to do it, and that's all the way to the ground.
And it's not even down, bro. It looks so much better. Dude, most people ride around with fitment like this, and they're not even touching the ground. Look how low it looks. Or it's not looking. Look how low it is.
It's gonna come.
Yeah.
Well, they're stock rims. They will. I swear to God, they will.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Is that e-brake on? Oh my God! I was like, oh shit! I was like, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
I would just lower that red one all the way. The suspense is killing me! That was a quick.
Oh.
Daddy.
Is it max?
Oh yeah.
Why is it not? Why didn't it tuck?
It's pretty fucking low, dude.
Honestly, it didn't do shit.
It didn't do anything. What the fuck?
You sure about that?
I mean, your ride height's a little different. Maybe an inch.
I mean, it is slammed, but
You just don't have the wheel.
I thought it was gonna tuck more, honestly. Are you happy with it, Rizzo? All I know is that fucking alignment is off.
Oh yeah, it's way off.
That alignment is way off, dude.
Positive
Did you take off the? Did you take off the adjustment bolt?
Fuck yeah, I did.
You have to go get an alignment too.
I'll do it myself.
Baller.
Let me show you the before picture. So
This isn't maxed out.
We got like 2 inches down.
Watch out, Chris.
And you can see like the whole tire. Yeah, you can see like.
That is pretty low, honestly. I mean,
You can see the whole tire. What the fuck? Maybe it just needs to settle in.
yeah, it does. Honestly, it's because your other side's raised.
Is that spring lowered all the way?
Yeah, basically.
The spring?
Yeah.
All the way down.
Not all the way down, man.
Why?
I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what slammed on 5.8 coilovers look on stock wheels. We are going to be putting these wheels on very soon. That'll be for another video, but that is what it looks like slammed on stock wheels. This one is not slammed, but it is pretty low. Your wheels are so dirty, bro. But this side is not done yet, so
See how easy it is to jack up your car now?
just for reference of how high it was before.
No, that's okay.
And then one more comparison.
Second time I did.
Oh. But alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We slammed the E46 kind of halfway. These videos, I feel like every time we try to film a video like this, it just takes significantly longer than we expect. But that's because we took a break and rode the mini bikes and fucked off for a long time. But that is what it is like to slam your car on 5/8 coilovers. Now it's back in the air so you guys can't see, but just rewind if you want to see it one more time. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.